Solvent welding is the process of fusing thermoplastic products together. Solvent welding is not gluing. Creating optimal solvent welded connections requires attention to detail, proper preparation of components, and an understanding of all instructions provided in the AquaRise technical manual. Refer to the AquaRise technical manual for the additional steps that must be followed for solvent welding in temperatures below 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius and above 86 degrees Fahrenheit or 30 degrees Celsius. Here are some solvent welding basics. Remember to use only AquaRise primer and solvent cement and use in accordance with IPEX instructions. Also, always use personal protection equipment in accordance with material safety datasheet documentation. Step 1. Gather proper tools and materials. Installation requires a pencil, tape measure, cutting tool, a beveling and deburring tool, proper eye and skin protection, ventilation equipment, and applicators provided with AquaRise solvent cements. And depending on the diameter of the pipe, either the AquaRise one-step solvent cement or two-step solvent cement with primer. Step 2. Cut the pipe square. Pipe can be easily cut with a wheel-type plastic tubing cutter, chop saw, or fine-tooth saw.
Do not use reciprocating saws or ratchet cutters.
Step 3. Chamfer and deburr pipe ends using AquaRise beveling tools. Step 4. Clean the pipe and fitting with a clean rag.
Step 5. Dry fit the pipe and fitting to confirm proper interference fit. A proper interference fit is present when the beveled pipe can only be inserted 1/3 to 2/3 of the way into the fitting socket. Step 6. Measure the socket depth of the fitting and mark that distance on the outside of the pipe. Then make a second mark 1 inch further back. The first mark serves as a guide for how far up the pipe to apply the solvent cement. After insertion, the second mark confirms that the pipe is fully inserted to the bottom of the socket. Step 7. Determine if primer is needed. Use the AquaRise one-step cement for sizes 1/2 inch to 2 inch pipe. Use AquaRise two-step cement with a primer for sizes 2.5, 3, and 4 inch pipe. Step 8. Proper applicator size is critical for ensuring the correct amount of AquaRise primer and solvent cement is applied. Only use the applicators provided with AquaRise solvent cements. Applicator size varies by pipe diameter. Check the label on the applicator lid to ensure it matches the pipe size you're working with. Super swab is to be used on 4 inch pipe only. For one-step solvent cement, apply a medium layer to the beveled pipe end. Thoroughly apply enough cement to just cover the socket insertion mark. Next, apply a thin, even layer of cement to the inside of the fitting socket. For smaller diameters, re-dipping the dauber may not be necessary. For two-step cement, thoroughly apply primer to the fitting, then the pipe, and again to the fitting. While the primer is still wet and the surfaces are softened, use the correct applicator to apply a full, even layer of two-step cement to the pipe end, up to the first mark. Apply a thin layer of cement to the inside of the fitting, followed by a second full layer to the pipe end.
Do not use excessive amounts of primer or solvent cement because too much primer or solvent cement can lead to puddling in the pipe and fittings, which can result in product failures and property damage.
Step 9. Insert pipe into the fitting. Give the pipe a quarter turn as it is being inserted. Once the pipe has reached the bottom of the fitting socket, do not turn any further and hold for 30 seconds to resist push-out due to the tapered sockets.
Step 10. Wipe off any excess cement on the pipe or fitting.
Step 11. Follow the set and cure times as outlined in the AquaRise technical manual.
For more information, refer to the AquaRise technical manual or contact IPEX directly.
Visit us at ipexna.com.